AREC stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. American Resources Corporation is 64 cents, 34% up. So where are we heading next? Well, before I get into it, I've made more videos than anyone else in this space with 39,000 videos proof. AREC is like, it's not an exception. I mean, I like the performance with 34% up, you know, don't get me wrong, but let's zoom out and see exactly where we are. Right, it's like one heck of a... Yeah, I mean, on paper, we broke structure up here. Oh, almost. Yeah, there you go, we didn't. So, I'm yet to see a full break above that. First of all, it's just a wick. I don't count the wicks. Now, we can argue about this, but man, if I start seeing some double breaks like that, then and only then I'm going to look to take things down. Other than that, everything else is pure noise, and I will continue to keep you updated. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.